All right, welcome back, everybody. And as you can tell, we are driving, but we're headed to the spot, and it is literally behind Jacob's house. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys when we get there. Okay, okay. All right. Going to retie. What to do? What to do? Dang it, Jacob, dang it. Dang it, dang it. Oh, dang, that broke. Wow, okay, I need a new one. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I got chatterbait. Let's give the chatterbait a... Actually, Jacob, let me get that jig. Let me get that jig. I feel like I catch something on that jig. All right, so we're doing some creek fishing. Just slowly. Do you know how deep it is? Do you know how deep it is? How deep it is? Deep, deep, depth.
I would say about 3 to 6-ish.
Okay. Okay. I just feel like they're gonna be.
Down here.
Oh, okay.
Like in the middle of it.
Right. I just feel like they're gonna be by the bridge, the dam. But I guess we'll move our way back that way. Did your camera turn on?
Yeah.
Okay.
You'll get to see yourself.
Well, I was just yeah. Spot Uno. You going back?
A little bit.
Okay. Okay. The water, I don't know. Man, hope we can find one. All right. Yeah, this is where oh, see, it flooded. It flooded, so it's gonna be a lot of craziness happening over here. But okay. All right, see, this looks better. I like this. This is what I wanted to fish. Like, I feel like this is like wherever the deepest area in this spot is, it's going to be the... Oh, dude, there's... Oh, no. Nope. I know what to do. I know what to do, people. I know exactly what to do. We're doing it. Remember, we gotta catch a fish before Jacob. We have to. Oh, Jacob's got a fish. No way. Bring it over here. Dang it, so Jacob beat me. Oh, he just threw it back. Okay. Well, Jacob had a fish, so I lost that. But this is what I feel like they're gonna be eating right here. Are these? Dang, another one? So Jacob's been catching fish, so we gotta catch up. Throw it in Jacob's area. See, the water looks good. Just hoping that I can catch a fish. Oh my God, no way, we had one. No, that is not the way to hook set. Okay, not here, don't hook set like that here. All right, gotta do this differently. Gotta rethink our lives. Yeah, that was a bite, something had it. Just need to take our time. Pretty much we need to stay away from Jacob, because Jacob will mess us up. Get into my head. That's what he'll do. Dude, like, see, something's wrong with this reel. Like, that's why I don't like it. Just need to get a new one. Oh, there's deer tracks. That's cool. Oh, that's a fish. We got one. Got one. Got one. Got him. Nice. Ooh. Ooh. Yes. Got him. Got him. That guy, dude, he is spotted like crazy. That's a spotted. That's the old Georgia spot right there. Nice. Nice. He's literally like a pound. It's crazy. Nice. First fish for us. Sweet. Thanks for biting, dude. Nice. That was a bite. Sweet. Didn't get skunked. Heck yeah. On this X-Zone. I forgot what it was called again. Oh, it's a adrenaline bug. That's what it is. I forgot. It's the adrenaline bug. Cool. Got a bite. It's a success. Man. And it's 30 degrees. Well, now it's 36. It's supposed to be like 50 today. Which is crazy. Seeing as how it was just 20 degrees the other day. Alright, come on. Fish. Fish, fish, fish. Where you be at, guys? Come on. Ooh, that was a wonky. Might need a heavier weight. I don't know, I feel like there's not a lot of grass here. Like, I haven't had any issue with grass. I feel like it's all rocks. So I feel like, you know, like a jig or something. Like, I want a jig. I don't have a jig. That's my, like, that's what I was like trying to like think. Like, dude, how do I not have a jig? Like, do I not have a jig? I forgot. I do. I can't believe I forgot. can't believe I forgot that I had these. That's so funny. So funny. And then I'm going to tie on something I've never used before. It comes out right there. Okay, so let's see if I can get this to line up right. Shaky headness. Yeah? Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Nice. Okay, cool. Set that back down. Now, the one I've been I can't believe I forgot I had this. That is so funny. So funny. Yeah, since there was rocks, that's why I grabbed the really the jig and the shaky head. You know, and I've never fished the Ned rig. I've never fished a Ned rig, so we shall see how that goes about. So quiet. Alright, so I'm going to, like, this is a bitsy bug, so I feel like something can eat this over here. What the heck is that? You know, I feel like something can eat, but let's give this a, let's see what we can do with this. I've never fished the Ned rig, so just hit the bridge. So was it just shake it? I don't know. Hold on, where's my phone? I might have to watch a YouTube video on how to fish a Ned rig. Just gonna sit here and just shake it. It's on a shaky head. I don't know. Is it a do nothing bait? Like you just throw it out there and just let it sit? Like I feel like that's what they talk about. Like, you just let it sit, right? I don't know. I don't know. What's it look like? What's it look like in there? Yeah, the littlest pop. Okay, yeah, it's got that thing looking saucy, looking right. And yeah, okay. I was worried I was gonna get the power line, electrocute myself, and everything. I wonder if Jacob wants to switch spots. Let me get a shot at that area. Probably not. Jacob hasn't said anything to me ever since I caught that fish. I've missed Jacob. I haven't seen Jacob in months. But I think that's crazy because he literally lives 8 minutes down the road. Man, this looks so good. Oh, dang. I lost it. No way. Got broke off by a stump. Alright, let's hope we don't get hung up though. Jacob can't get away from his spot. It like sucks him. You got another one? Yeah, he's got one.
Oh no!
He got a turtle. What? Like how cool he looks. Oh, you got him in the back. It's okay. We got him. We get him out. He is not upset.
Oh, got it.
Oh, he just came off?
Yeah, thank God.
Oh, look at him sitting there. He is like, no.
Turtle. Sorry, buddy. You should have hauled it.
He's so scared. He is not even moving.
I got him his little little hand.
Yeah, he's at, whoa. I can't reach him. Flip over, dude. There. Okay, you're flipped over, so now I don't care.
I did my duty.
Right, yeah. He's not on his back.
I don't know if he was trying to bite it.
Yeah.
I just swimming along.
Yeah, he probably just got snagged. All right, let's see. Like, I understand the water is pretty clear over here, which is pretty awesome. But they bit that purple and black, you know, adrenaline bug. So maybe I'll probably use it as a trailer if I don't get any bites on this, because this trailer might be a little too much. I feel like that might change it up a bit for us. You know, since we had the bite on a black and purple, maybe this one will work. All right, water's a little dirtier over here, back here. So, oh yeah, I can clean my shoes off with all this moss. Heck yeah. All right, I guess we're gonna make the jump. Hopefully, and not die. I'm gonna die. That's funny. Like, I feel like it's the trailer that I used. Let me take this off, actually destroy it. I don't want to leave it here, you guys know, because they're not biodegradable, so I feel bad. But I will reuse the one that did get bit, because, you know, don't want to waste it. Don't want to just let it. All right. So the cool part is with the adrenaline crawl is that it's bigger than what I need it to be, so I can just rip that top off. Oh yeah, that's the sauce right there, dude. The sauciness. Oh, don't. Oh, whoa. You can tell I don't normally fish out in creeks and stuff. I just stepped into who knows what. Jacob said it's like probably like 6-7 feet over here, like, you know, out here. Okay, so we came back over here. This is where we caught our fish, so that's why I came back over here. Funny, like, because there's like this current, you know, because there's a waterfall right there, it's like a dam. There's actually multiple dams. Like, the further you go down, like, there'll be like dam areas. Like, that's just how they did it over here. I don't know. I don't know why they have them. And it flows out this way, you know, into a bunch of other little creeks and rivers, and some of them even lead into my lake at the house. So yeah, that's pretty awesome in my opinion. That's a fish right there. That's one. That's another. Yes, on the jig. Yes, another spot. Whew. Dude, these fish, nice. There we go, that jig right in the roof of his mouth. He had it. Oh, there we go, number 2. I don't know, that might be a largie. I don't know. Honestly, I really don't know. But dang, that's cool. No, he's a spot. right? Because of that spot right there, he's a spot. Cool. Yeah, he's got to be a spot. Beautiful fish. Nice little 1 pounder. That's another fish, man. Thanks for biting. Whew. Cool. Just knew. It's just like something was telling me jig, man. Like throwing it over there. But nice on that jig, black and blue jig with a purple and black adrenaline crawl that I got in a mystery tackle box. I guess I should tell you guys the day so you guys can see. Like I'm pretty sure you guys, some people have been like, man, dude, you've been dropping videos like non-stop like this past, week. And yeah, it's because I'm trying to get you guys caught up on where I'm at right now. So right now it is February 23rd. Okay. All the other videos prior to that, aside from, me reminiscing, my reminiscing video, have all been February, but if I would have scheduled them to be different, you wouldn't have seen some of these videos until March, and I was like, no, it needs to be more relevant. So what I'm going to do from now on is whenever I get done just editing a video, I'm gonna send it. Like, there's no point in me holding on to it. There's no point of me doing a little schedule, like, because then that just means that I'm holding on to stuff, and I don't know, it messes with me. Like, I want you guys to see me fishing when I'm, like maybe a few days after I've done it. Like, I don't want it to be a week later that you guys are seeing a video. Like, I want it to be a few days. But yeah. So cool, man. We're 2 and 2. Mm-hmm. That's pretty awesome. Like, they aren't big fish, but they're nice. They're in here? Their big ones are in here? Okay.
Monster.
Okay. Well, it might be because they're too cold. Like 3 pounder, 3-4 pounders.
At least.
Yeah. Yeah. See, that's why I feel like they've got to be. There's got to be a deeper end up there somewhere. I'm laughing because I'm having fun. Oh my god, I hate this. The bank is so ridiculous. Oh my gosh. We're tied right now. We get one more fish. Whoever gets one more fish is the winner. Okay? Yeah, Jacob agrees. All right. One more fish. That's if we can catch one more fish. It's either we're going to run out of battery or we're gonna catch a fish. Okay, cool.